Don't put your head on my shoulder, sink me in a river of tears. This could be the best case yet, but you must overcome your fear. Ooh, in time, it could have been so much more, but time is precious, I know. In time, it could have been so much more, but time has nothing to show, because time won't give me time, and time makes lovers feel like they got something real. But you and me, we know they got nothing but time, and time won't give me time, won't give me time. Don't make me feel any colder. Time is like a clock in my heart. Touch me, touch was the heat too much. I felt I lost you from the start. Ooh, in time, it could have been so much more, but time is precious, I know. In time, could have been so much more, but time has nothing to show, because time won't give me time, and time makes lovers feel like they got something real. But you and me, we know they got nothing but time, and time won't give me time, won't give me time. In time, it could have been so much more, but time is precious, I know. In time, it could have been so much more, but time has nothing to show, because time won't give me time, and time makes lovers feel like they got something real. But you and me, we know they got nothing but time, and you know time won't give me time, and time makes lovers feel like they got something real. But you and me, we know they got nothing but time, and time won't give me time.
This next song, Roy always credited this next song as the downfall of Culture Club.
It's a big hit though.
Roy promised that we could stick his head down the toilet if the song wasn't a hit. So it was such a big hit, we took him down to the local sewer.
Live on stage tonight.
One of the funniest things was, I wrote this song called A Melody in My Head, and I went around to see Roy with the other guys, and I sung this song called Karma Chameleon. And they all just fell on the floor and said, "That's disgusting, it'll never be successful." Needless to say, it paid for a big house in LA for Roy. And quite a few flash cars.
A few flash cars, yeah. It was the 80s, mate,
And I had a bit of a phobia against this song for a few years. I refused to play this song, and then I thought I was being a silly old queen, basically. I think I was doing a really bad gig somewhere, and I said to John Femus over there, "Do you know Karma Chameleon?" And we just did it, and the place went mad. So I discovered that it's a really good song when you're having a bad gig. This is Karma Chameleon. We'd like some audience participation.